Central Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 8 miles northeast of Hugh Springs, or 20 miles west of Atlanta, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near on around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bryan's Mill, Douglasville, and Red Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Bowie and Cass. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for Central Cass County in northeastern Texas, south central Bowie County in northeastern Texas,